Hey guys, today I thought that I would try a palette from Bhcosmetics. That's a brand that I haven't really featured much on this channel other than perhaps my palette bingo, which I will try to link down below or in the information card if I remember, where my son picked numbers and then I had to use those colors to come up with a look. It was really fun, but I haven't used the brand since then. So today I thought that we would try the Daisy Marquez palette. I saw this one in Ulta and it piqued my attention. I love the teal box. The color selection in here looks diverse and like you can make a variety of fun, interesting looks, also some neutral everyday looks. So if you guys are curious to see swatches and see an application of this palette, then just keep watching. Now, I'm not familiar with the person that collabed. I don't know who Daisy Marquez is. But on the back it says, pamper yourself with the gift of glamorous eye looks with this Daisy Marquez 20 color shadow palette. An essential collection of buttery soft mattes and lustrous pigment-rich shimmers curated by the beloved social media beauty maven. Endless eye effects can be yours with this palette that easily assembles into a working vanity or transforms into a hand mirror for effortlessly chic eyes on the go. I did see that on the display. It looks like the mirror pops up. All right, so let's dive right in and see what we have. Honestly, the packaging just really appealed to me. I think I kind of subconsciously painted my nails to match. I didn't even know I was doing this video today, so cute. Inside it looks like a little Tiffany's box. Oh, okay. So the mirror is removable, or you can stand it here so that you have like a little vanity to do your makeup. That's a really clever idea. I'll probably use this as a handheld mirror. I've been looking for a bigger handheld mirror, so that's amazing. And inside the shades look like this. It's really light. It's really nice and light and portable. You don't have to worry about a lid flipping over. So that was actually a good idea. I just wish it was a little bit slimmer profile because I don't think that these pans are this deep, but otherwise, so far so good. So let's start off with some swatches. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch them off camera, and I'll be back to show you what the swatches look like. So here are the shades all swatched. They all swatched really well. I was particularly impressed with some of these metallics. I mean, look at this lime green, this peach, this copper, this gold. I mean, these are really nice. The matte kind of terracotta shade I had to swatch twice. Otherwise, these are all one swipe of the finger, no primer, no setting spray. So I think so far this is a good palette. So I've already primed my eyes with a little MAC Soft Ochre paint pot. So let's dive right in with a look. I'm gonna pull the hair back, get right to the eye look. Okay, I think I'm gonna start off with kind of this peach shade all over the lids because I really don't know which direction I wanna go today. I know that I really want to use a little bit of this teal, a little bit of this lime, and some of these warmer shades, so we'll see what happens. I never know what I'm doing when I sit down, so let's just start with something simple and we'll build from there. Okay, so I went ahead and grabbed my Wet n Wild Pac-Man brush, and I'm dipping it into Naked, and these all have little stars next to them. Next, I think I want to dip into the mint green shade and use that as a crease color. I might regret that later, but I really want to try it. Get a lot of product on your brush. Okay, green shade is down. It's making me look sick. Let's see if we can save this. Next, I'm going to go into Cha-Ching, which is this green shade on the outer portion of the lid and kind of as like a deeper crease color. I'm kind of feeling the greens, the browns today, kind of like camo colors. Okay, so I've kind of dragged the green out a bit. Next, I'm going to take a flat brush and go in with Dream, this kind of minty shade. And then going back in with my small detail brush, I'm going to dip into, I think, Cocoa, which is the brown, and kind of define just the outer corner only and the lash line. Okay, like that for the upper lash line. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the other eye, and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like completed. So I'll be back in a little bit. Okay guys, so the eye makeup is done. I went ahead and applied a little bit of Rimmel's Scandal Eyes Retro Glam Mascara, and this is the finished look. I think that they turned out really well. I really love this like pop of mint green on the inner part, like the inner part of my lid. I just think it makes my eyes look so bright and open. I also want to try a little bit of the icy color on the inner corner, this icy white one, just to see if we can kind of brighten it up even more. Okay, so I popped a little bit of that icy shade into the inner corner, and I really think that it opened up the eyes even more. I like the way the look turned out. So let me go over my thoughts of this palette. First of all, packaging, A+, thumbs up. I love the mint green. It's beautiful. It's one of my favorite colors. I like that they give you the option to make this into a vanity, which is so convenient because so many times when you're traveling, you don't have a mirror that you can stand up. You have to hold it. So you're losing a hand that way. I love this. This was very, very thoughtful packaging and smart, and I like it. The shades in here, they blended well, they applied well, they were pigmented. There was no fallout. I did my eyes first because I was expecting some fallout with the darker shades. There was none. So I think this is definitely a win for Bhcosmetics and for Daisy Marquez. Great job. I'm definitely gonna have to look her up because she did an amazing job with this palette. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing swatches, a tutorial, and hearing my first impressions on this new palette from Bhcosmetics. If you did enjoy this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.